So, hey everyone, welcome back to Chipmunk. This is your space for learning open source VLSI and SoC design. So, today we are exploring one of the most powerful and versatile FPGA SoC development board. So, this is the Microchip SoC Discovery Kit. So if you are diving into RISC-V, uh, or you want to learn to use Linux on RISC-V or open source SoC projects, this board is a fantastic starting point because it's very low cost. So let's take a closer look on this board. So this is Microchip PolarFire SoC Discovery Kit, or you can say MPFS-DISCO-KIT. So, at the heart of this board is the Microchip MPFS. It's the PolarFire SoC, as you can see here in the center. So this is a Microchip PolarFire SoC FPGA. So it combines the FPGA fabric with a hardened RISC-V CPU subsystem. So that means you can design hardware accelerated applications while running embedded Linux on the same chip. So it's perfect for AI, edge computing, control system, and secure IoT. So as you can see, this is one chip here. So this is the DDR4 memory chip. So it is perfect for running Linux or heavy embedded workloads. So as you can see here, so this is the microchip. So this is micro SD slot. So it is used to boot Linux, or you can store your project data in this. So there's a gigabit Ethernet port with so as you can see here, there is gigabit Ethernet port. So it is for high speed networking. So and you also get um, USB Type C port. So it powers the board and provides a connection for onboard programming and debugging. So it is integrated with Flash Pro 5. So it have you can see this is the these are the these are the micro bus connectors. So there are two microbus connector slots. So you can use it to connect sensors, display, and other peripherals using the clickboards. So there is Raspberry Pi pin, as you can see here. This is the this So this is the Raspberry Pi 40 pin header. So it is compatible with Raspberry Pi hat, so you can extend the hardware easily. And there are push buttons. As you can see here, there are the push button DIP switches and control for debugging and control during hardware testing. It have seven segment it has 7 segment um, display connector. It is useful for quick display and output interfacing. So this is the 7 segment uh, display connector for quick display or output interfacing. There's MIPI RX connector. So as you can see here, this is the MIPI RX connector. So you can even connect camera modules for computer vision applications. So the board can be powered with USB Type C, with USB Type C port, or the 5-volt DC jack, selectable using jumper J47. So you you will also find multiple regulator generating rails like 5 volt, 3.3 volt, 2.5 volt, 1.8 volt, and 1.2 volt, all clearly testable via LEDs, by power LEDs and test points. So, how to do that, I will teach you later in the upcoming tutorials. So, in this video, we will just be understanding the hardware or structure of this board. On the next video, we will learn how to set up the tool used for uh, the software tool for this board, how to use it on Linux and Windows. We will be discussing both. So, one of my favorite parts is it has a onboard flash file programmer, meaning no external hardware is needed for programming or debugging. So you can directly use Libro SoC for FPGA design and the soft console for embedded RISC-V code. Everything integrates beautifully. So the form factor is compact, around 4 by 3 inches, making it ideal for embedded prototyping and edge computing experiments. So it supports bare metal Linux based applications, so you can prototype full SoC subsystems from firmware to FPGA acceleration. So, why this board is special? It has a hybrid structure, RISC-V plus FPGA. It makes it ultimately flexible. So it supports open source tools and frameworks. So the tool which is used for it, Microchip Libro SoC tool, that is completely free. Just you need to get one license. That is also free. I will teach you how to get that license in the next video. So it's have an open ecosystem. It supports open source tools and frameworks. So it is low power and high performance. So it is ideal for industrial edge systems. It have an integrated debug and easy setup. So onboard Flash Pro 5 simplifies your workflow. It, it is ready for expansion using the microBUS, Raspberry Pi, MIPI connectors, and this makes it easy to prototype complex system. So in the next video, we will dive how to use the board using the Libro SoC. So make sure to subscribe, hit the bell icon, and join our Chipmunk community to stay updated with our videos. So until then, keep building, keep learning, and see you in the next one.